Tutorial. I'm speaking on how you can change your Facebook page name. Supposing you are just testing or playing around Facebook and Facebook page, and you happen to create a page, and later you want to create a new one, and Facebook doesn't want to allow you create a new one. Or let's assume you have a situation where you want to convert your existing page to another one by means of changing the name. Here is how you could do it through your smartphone. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. Now, I didn't say your page account, Facebook account. I didn't say use Business Suite. Use your Facebook app. Log into the account and then click on the menu button there. You can see with an arrow pointing down there, and that is going to give you an option which you can choose or convert your page, right? So when you click the option, you are going to see pages there. You select your page. After selecting your page, the next thing you are going to do is you are on your page, right? You have switched to your page. You click on the arrow down there, see the arrow down there, which is your pages menu. So when you click on the pages menu, it brings you to another option. The option it brings you to is another part of your page that has so many other menu and has option of converting back. So you click on the arrow right here, which is your settings, and after the settings, you are going to see, when you click on the settings, you'd see your page settings. And when it brings you to your page settings, you'd see where I put this arrow that says page settings, and it puts the name there. You click on it. After that, you'd see your page name. When you see your page name, just click on the page name, and then voila, it brings you to the place where you can change the name. And something you need to know now is, when you want to change the name, they give you an option. They tell you that this name change can be for only 60 days. That is, not can be, but rather you can only change your page's name once in 60 days. So if you just created one, you have to wait for probably 60 days or more in order to create another one. I hope this was really helpful, and I hope from now on you are able to change your page's name at any point in time. So give us a follow, give us a like if this video has been helpful to you in any way.